Okay, so I cannot be the only person that has seen this. I was just trying to create something today or in Google Gemini. Now, note this is a free account. This is not a pro account. And I came across, I saw this create music. I'm like, create music again. I know that you can create images, boost your day, learn and write anything. But create music, and then I just give it a simple prompt. I said, um, create a love beat, a love Afrobeat song about AI video creation. And guys, this is what Gemini did.
With you, my baby, the feeling is correct. AI video we dey create, turning simple ideas to something great. Mama, you sabi. My love for you, it dey generate every new scene. I appreciate high quality feeling, no debate. Our love story, AI generates. AI generates. Our love story, AI generates. Whoa, AI generates.
Wow.
Oh yeah, yeah.
So this is 30 seconds. I don't know if it can do more than 30 seconds though, but this is actually a beautiful one, guys. I'm already imagining a lot of things I can do. You see why I said I love Google? Hey. So I just said I should share. I just saw it right now, and I said I should share it with you. So what do you think about this? Are you going to explore it? What are the things you're going to use it for? Leave it in the comment section. Let me see.